So what we got here?
It's a 1932 Wley Hornet, fully customised now compared to the original, but yeah.
Can you walk us around, please?
So basically it's still a stock body shell. Back wings have been widened out by about 2 inches. Front wings have been widened out by about 5. The engine's out of a Daimler 4.5 limousine. Hemi V8. Front suspension super bell with disc brakes. And rear axle is S-type Jag, shortened by 5 inches as well. Disc brakes all round.
So how long you got this one from?
I've had it for a few years now, recommissioned it a few years ago now, so it goes with the rest of the collection. So
Do you have any other as well?
yeah, I've got 15 in total. All customised, all classic cars.
And where you are from?
And Corby, Northamptonshire.
So will you be bringing more over this side?
Yeah, the missus would have bought her one, but we just thought we'd just bring one over today because we're going out tomorrow as well. So.
So what we got here?
We've got a 1979 Citroen 2CV pickup truck. Probably the only one. It was wrecked in 2000, disappeared for 2 years, and then returned 2 years later, and it had gone from being a saloon into a pickup truck that you see today. Since then, she's worked for 20 years delivering Citroen parts. She then finished up in a barn, as these things often do, and sort of rotted away, and then was rescued in around about 2020. And a couple of years later, she was finished, and we bought her. And we finished her off, as you see here today. So, yeah.
It's a 1944 Alyn Bford PV8. It was built out of spare parts during the war to basically just try and push them out the door as fast as they can. It used to be able to do 20 miles an hour on runways, but now it's limited to about 8, which is a lot better for a roller. It weighs 8 tons, and the rear wheels are filled with concrete to make it heavier. Each one of them weighs 1.5 tons. It's one of a handful left, one of only a couple that is still used on the roads, and the only one that I know of that's on the show scene. Some of them went to Europe and didn't come back. They were used for runways in villages they were destroying over there. But this one likely stayed here and did runways on American airfields.
So, fantastic food, Nilesh. What is in that?
So you got samosa chaat,
Yeah.
and you have sweet yogurt, tamarind sauce, spicy chili sauce, Indian savory, everything sweet, sour, tangy. Is it nice?
That is brilliant. That is absolutely top class. And the chips.
Not what you told me. Yeah, more plays in town. All
And the
clock.
chips are to die for.
The 1954 Buick Century with a 7.5 litre V8.